Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on Unit 1 Elimination and Color Models. In this lecture we'll look at about circle generation algorithm. In general, the midpoint circle drawing algorithm uses an eight-way symmetry of the circle to generate it. So in general, the equation of a circle, it is x minus x naught the whole square plus y minus y naught the whole square. We term it to be an r square. We will solve this for y in terms of x. On simplifying the above equation, for y it might be rewritten as y naught plus or minus a root of r square minus x naught the whole square. So this is one of an simple example of how can a midpoint be chosen in order to draw the circle with the help of the radius. The spacing between plotted pixel position, of course, it's not uniform. So thereby, a generalized way of a curve can be placed in order to um, generating the circle. Computation can be reduced by considering the symmetry of circles. So we can move forward on, as I previously told you, we can use an eight-way symmetry of the circle to generate it. A generalized points of eight symmetries or four symmetries or six symmetries we can choose, and by that we may be able to end up in a generalized circle. So that's a basic idea. It's an eight-way symmetry. So it plots 1 by 8 part of the circle from 90° to 45° as shown in this figure. As the circle is drawn from 90° to 45°, the x moves in the positive direction and y moves in the negative direction. To draw a 1 by 8 part of a circle, we take unit steps in the positive x direction and make use of decision parameter to determine which of the two possible y position is closer to the circle path at each step. Actually, this figure shows the possible y positions, yi and y minus 1 at sampling positions. Therefore, we can determine whether the pixel at the position x plus 1 or yi or x plus 1 comma y minus 1 closer to the circle. So midpoint circle algorithm is one of a famous algorithm to generalize and draw a circle. As in the line algorithm, we sample at unit intervals and determine the closest pixel position to the circle path at each step, as I described just previously. Points are generated from 90° to 45°. Moves will made by plus x and minus y direction. On the other hand, which is more closer to possible position closer to the circle path at each step. Positive x direction over this octant and use a decision parameter. Thereby, we may decide the point. In general, we define a circle function as x square plus y square minus r square, where function of x comma y that is less than 0 equal to 0 and greater than 0. The midpoint in general, it is xi plus 1 comma yi minus 1 by 2. Consider the coordinates of this point halfway between pixel t and pixel s. We use it to define a decision parameter. For these coordinates, we will put x plus y square minus x square plus y square minus r square is a general circle equation. We put these coordinates on this place, thereby we get an equation. If p is less than 0, that is negative, the midpoint is inside the pixel. We mean it to be inside the pixel, and we choose the pixel t. If p is greater than 0, we choose the pixel s. So thereby we generalize a. So the parameter for the next step moves into plus 1 xi plus 1 plus 1 the whole square plus y suffix of I plus 1 minus 1 by 2 the whole minus r square. Since xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus 1, so thereby we may substitute this on the decision parameter. Thereby on simplification we may end up in this shown equation. If t is chosen, where pi is less than 0 at that time, we will be choosing t. We have yi plus 1 is equal to yi. If we choose s is chosen, where pi at that point it would be greater than or equal to 0. So we have yi plus 1 is equal to yi minus 1. So in a very generalized term, based on the decision parameters value less than 0 or greater than 0, we might be, that is in terms of xi, yi, these are the points we might be, decision parameter might be computed. Whereas in terms of your xi plus 1 or y plus 1 less than or greater than, based on that we may go with such decision parameter. Initial value for the decision parameter using the original function o comma r. On generalization, the decision initial parameter p0 is termed to be 5 by 4 minus r on simplification of the equation, which we actually computed at the starting stage. So where r is an integer, we can simplify set 1 minus as well, or directly you can imply 5 by 4 as well. So decision parameter starting p0 is 5 minus, that is 5 by 4 minus r. The radius will be given, you can supply in this particular equation, and based on this p naught less than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, then our move will be based on that particular value. So this is the generalized midpoint circle algorithm. First and foremost, we'll get the input radius r, and there will be a circle center xc, yc, and obtain the first point on the circumference of a circle centered on the origin as 0 comma r, that is x naught, y naught. We will initially get it, and then as a decision parameter we will initially compute 5 by 4 minus r, right? So radius we will apply here, thereby we get a p naught. So at each xk position starting at k is equal to 0, perform the following step. If pk is less than 0, the next point along the circle we will decide to be xk plus 1 comma yk, and we will compute the point by this equation. Otherwise, the next point along the circle will be xk plus 1 yk minus 1, and we will compute this particular equation to get the next decision parameter. Determine the symmetry points in the other 7 octants in the similar way. Move each calculated pixel position x comma y onto the circular path centered on xc, yc, and plot the coordinates. So at that point x will be x plus xc, y is equal to y plus yc. We will be repeating these steps, step 3 through until 5, where until x is greater than or equal to y. Right? Thank you.